Good morning, students. Today we'll continue our sixth chapter, and the last topic is safety measure to prevent sports injury. Playing sports is beneficial for all the individuals. It has physical, mental, social, and psychological benefits. It can improve physical coordination, fitness, health, self esteem, self confidence. Children are always at risk for sports injuries because their bodies are still growing. They usually get injured while playing games and sports. There may be various reasons for getting injured. Safety is required for preventing injuries. Now, we'll talk about some various safety tips or method for preventing injuries in the field of sports. Now, first come to the first point. Warm-up is necessary before practice or training. Now, students, if you are talking about warm-up, when we are playing any game, any sports, or any adventure activity, if we'll do, what we have to do? First thing is warm up. In warm up, we are doing stretching exercise for every body part. सो इससे क्या होता है हमारी बॉडी कंफर्ट जोन से निकल के उस पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी को करने के लिए रेडी हो जाती है. ठीक है, और इंजरी होने की कम संभावनाएं होती है. सेकेंड इज बी हाइड्रेटेड by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after training. We can hydrate our body. Third is always wear appropriate sports gear. If we are playing any game, we have to wear comfortable clothes, comfortable shoes too, so we can play easily or we can achieve the goal. If you are doing mountaineering, rock climbing, or any other adventure activity, so we have to wear according to activities dress. Appropriated sports gear and properly fitting sports gear are essential to reduce the severity of injury. Appropriate sports gear may be helmet, shin guards, mouth guards, wrist guard, knee guard, elbow guard, ankle guard, and shoes. And students, eye protection is also important. So what we are using for the eye protection? It's polycarbonate. Okay, should be used. A matter of fact, wearing the right protective equipments with the right fit. Now fourth point is follow the rules and regulation of the game strictly. Now students, whenever we are playing any game, any sports, or we are going for the trekking or any adventure activity, if we are doing, we have to follow the rules of the mountains of the game also. Okay, rules and regulations are not restrictions. They are designed to promote safety so that everyone can enjoy the game. Fifth is give priority to rest. Priority to rest should be given during the training session. You should take rest if you are under fatigue. Sixth, follow a good diet. Always be sure during sports we have to take good diet and we have to avoid supplements. Seventh is don't play when you are injured. You should not play when you are injured. Eighth is proper supervision. During playing, if we are in proper supervision of playground equipment, many injuries can be prevented. An adult can be appointed for proper supervision. Ninth is proper surface of playground, court and field. If you are using any playground, so it should be very smooth, clean and surface should be free of standing water and debris that may cause children to fall. There should not be any dangerous material like broken glass or twisted material. Proper environment. It is extreme weather conditions. It is best to postpone training or competition. If weather is not good, we can't play. We have to balance. Float balance is important to any time but need more attention in some weather conditions also. 11th is proper footwear. The right running shoes can reduce the risk of proper running shoes can reduce the risk of overuse injuries. 12th point is equipment should be designed according to age. जो भी इक्विपमेंट हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं, एनी इक्विपमेंट, इफ इट इज़ वुडन और इट इज़ other material, it should not be broken or not be cracking. Okay. If there is any doubt, you can ask during live classes. Thank you, students.